See what I'm going on my peeps. That a go on there. You don't know, see that a snapper. You know, see this a jack. Yeah. That a go on, you know. Go and watch your go on my peeps. See right now. Put some slice in the side of it, you know? So the seasoning can penetrate. Let that go on. Yeah man, let that go on my peeps. Good old all-purpose Maggie. Yeah. Just go and watch your go on my peeps. I'm going away. Let that go on. So people, you know, so them done season already. So I put on some fresh season, some onion, some scallion and some thyme. And then I start the thing. Don't know peeps. The fish me I fry it, then you know, then me go and fry up another thing, give the thing some flavour. Excursion, you know what I mean? Never stop, never stop, never stop till you achieve your goal here. Never give up. Supermarket excursion, you know the right thing, so do the right thing. Fry it down and then just stew it. Some carrot, you know what I mean? Some tomato and thing. Yeah man.
I'm cutting up carrots.
Carrots?
To put in the stew fish.
Okay. Nice.
Come on, you need to do it already. Under my bourbon, you know what I mean? Under my Ray. And under my nephew. Ray and his nephew. While we are cooking, you know what I mean? So we do it. Watch out. Yeah, the peeps, so the roast on the end there. You know what I mean? Yeah man, I do the morning run. Morning feeding, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Nature you call that. And see cat there in the distance. Cat I watch where I go and see him time, you know what I mean? That not talk about peeps. That talk about nature. Nature at its best. Yeah man. Yeah man, I don't know, I want to big up all the alligator pan people, you know what I mean? Coast Road, Junction, Cross Keys, New Forest, Milk River, you know what I mean? Big up all the people them down there, so I don't know, so I get the fish them yesterday, big up all the fishermen them. Big up my uncle Dennis, you know what I mean? And my cousin them Grace and the full family, big up Natty. You know what I mean? I don't know. We gotta do the right thing, yeah? Yeah man, we gotta do the right thing. Yeah, my peeps, my dog the Brownie. You know what I mean? Just a forward some food. But the food ain't ready, I don't know him I go. Brownie!
Alright.
Yeah man. Come. People, my dog is a matter of fact, I lie, me I tell my neighbor dog what. Yeah man. What nice? What nice? Bag one. Nah man. You know what nice on my puppy, you know. You know how much time Carol lick him done? Carol lick him done. Yeah, about 5 times Carol lick him done. That's why I call him walk nice, because I used to walk, so watch me. Go through rehabilitation and come back and I walk straight now. Yeah man.
So you don't want this to put in the picture?
No, I use the pot. Yeah, so we reach now, no peeps. Yeah, so we reach now. Alright. I don't know. I make him cook down now, peep. Them carrot they cook up. We're gonna lead. Yeah man. Yeah, the peeps, so you don't know, put some cabbage in the thing, you know what I mean? Fully steam up, you know? So we move when we have steamed fish, people. A joke, you know, SUPAMARK'S excursion this. You know? I talk about fish, we name your call. So I say big up the whole of the South Coast people, them, you know what I mean? North Coast, East Coast, West Coast. You know what I mean? Hustlers. People who go out there, go get the thing. Go hunt for them own food and sell it, make a living. That way I talk about. Yeah, but still there, my peeps. Yeah, go on. Yeah, we have jack. We have snapper. Yeah. Ramp in the peeps. Ramp. Yeah, the peeps. So we do it. Oh, look at that. You know what I mean? No, not me, Randy. Kinda busy, I have to go find out from somebody else. Oh, if you drink?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, man. What do you mean, man?
Yeah.
Alright, when you come back, me get it for you. Think I have to wash the vehicle. See there? So we deal with things, you know what I mean? That's so we deal with fish. South Coast, North Coast, East Coast, West Coast. Understand? But the North Coast with it. No, it's North Coast, what I'm telling you. South. Even though I big up everybody on the North Coast, the South Coast, so let's big up all South Coast. Yeah.
Take out, well, leave that and take out the pipe.
Yeah, it's the
What is this, brother, man?
Yes, my peeps, see there. The pot there. The thing there, you know, so we know ram peeps. Look at that. Look where I go on this. Look where I go on this, peeps. That way I talk about, you know. I don't waste time. My peeps, see there. That me I talk about. You know what I mean? Look at that. Look at that. You know what I mean? Fishtail jack. You know, so we have to devour this. So devour this one. Let's go and do the right thing. If you like the content, subscribe to the thing and like and share if you like. Supermarket Excursion. Check me out on the next video soon. I'm out.